Hey, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to download Davinci Resolve as well as upgrade it into the studio version if you are interested in that. It's a pretty simple process. It's really worth it just because it has many more features that I won't really get into. I'll go ahead and link a video of actually somebody who goes over this more in depth. That way I first don't waste your time, and that way you can go ahead and see that after. So the first thing you want to do is to download Davinci Resolve. So let's go ahead and jump onto that page. Okay, so this is actually a very simple process. For those of you that just want to use Davinci Resolve, just go ahead and press on download, and then it's going to go ahead and give you an option to download either the free or the bot version. So just go ahead and download the free version, and then that's pretty much it. You'll be able to use one of the strongest and most powerful free editing softwares for videos. It's really useful. I've been using it for years, and I thought it was time to upgrade, so that's why I'm doing that here today. Now, for those of you that want to buy it, you're going to go ahead and click on the buy online now. It's going to bring you to another page telling you how much it's going to be. Keep in mind that there's another option that you can do, which is buying the $400 version, which comes with a tool and a code. So essentially for $100 more, you get an editing tool. I already have the Stream Deck Plus, which I can use to edit as well. I actually went to the Gato store and I bought this plugin essentially that has everything I need for 30 something dollars. I'll go ahead and also link that so that you can go ahead and see it. But yeah, this is pretty much what the marketplace looks like and what it comes with. Bunch of applications, 272 program keys. That way you can go ahead and save some time. Otherwise, you can always edit them yourself into the Stream Deck itself. So yeah, once you go ahead and complete your purchase, you're going to get an activation code. Go ahead and copy that as well as a confirmation email. Save that for future references. What you can do with this code is activate it onto 2 devices. And then when you try to activate on the third, the first one I believe will be deactivated. From what I read, you want to go ahead and deactivate any device you're not going to use it on. That way there's no issues later down the line. But yeah, okay, so once we have our code, we're going to go ahead and download the studio version. So if we go back over here, you can go ahead and click on download. And then you're going to go ahead and download your Studio 19 version with any of these 4. Typically, if you're on Windows, you're going to go ahead and use this one, unless I believe you have a Snapdragon card, then it would be here for ARM, and then Mac or Linux. Once you download that, you're going to go ahead and get a page asking you to extract them. So once you go ahead and extract the applications, you're just going to go ahead and launch it. It's going to bring you through a bunch of different installation things. Go ahead and install everything that you see. You're going to go ahead and also be asked to activate your code. Go ahead and input the code and activate it. And then eventually you're going to be asked to go ahead and optimize your engines. Just go ahead and do so, and then just wait for it to go ahead and launch Davinci Resolve. Okay, so once everything's activated and downloaded, you should be able to also bring over your projects from Davinci Resolve if you already had it downloaded. And then one of the things I do recommend is just going to File, going down to Blackmagic Cloud account and logging in, just in case you're not seeing the upgrades. But if you also look towards the bottom left, you're going to see that it now says Resolve Studio 19. So that should be pretty much it. Just in time for me to edit this video. If you are interested, I make more tutorial videos like this, typically on Sundays, sometimes throughout the week, depending on what comes up, which, believe me, if you're aware with the channel, a lot of things come up. So in some ways, this is more of a tech channel than a gaming channel. Fridays, I started uploading for Fortnite. Saturdays, I upload for Call of Duty. And then, yeah, I live stream here and there. So if you're subscribed, which I hope you consider doing, you'll go ahead and get those notifications as well. I'll maybe come up with the schedule in the future, but I'm relatively busy for now. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully this helped. And yeah, if you have any questions or if there's any issues, let me know. I'm always willing to help as well. I'll see you in the next one.